Alright, so here's a quick efficiency hack you can use on Excel if you want to fix spaces. You can just type is equal to trim, then select the part you want to fix, then it's going to go through. So if you want uppercase, you can just type is equal to upper, then select the parts you want to make uppercase, then press enter, then click enter. Then you can just fill it out. Then you can do the same thing. So right here, I want it to be lowercase. So I'm going to type is equal to lower. Then select the section I want to be lowercase. Then click enter. Then press enter. Then I can just fill it out. And yep. And this is all of it. So yep. Thank you for watching and bye.